This will be a quick video on calling resample on a date time column. So you don't have to have your date time column in the index. It can be a regular column, but if you do so, then you have to tell pandas where is that date column. And with resample, you do so with this on parameter. So you say, all right, I am going to group by the date column. And in this case, I'm going to group every week. I'm going to, on Wednesday, my aggregation over here will take the size and the min of Amazon's stock for that particular group. All right, so this is fine. You don't have to have your date time column in the index, although I do strongly urge you to put it in the index, as it often makes sense to do that, and it uniquely labels every row. You can do this with grouper as well, but you need it in grouper. So just take a look over here. You use this key parameter to say where the column is. So unfortunately, it's not the same parameter. It's not on. They have different parameters, so pandas is not that consistent here. Everything else, the .ag is the same. So here we're just taking the max of ExxonMobil and the min of Schlumberger for every quarter, like that. Okay, so just to show you that you can use resample and group by with a date time column. It doesn't have to be in the index, but really you should put it in the index so you don't have to specify it over here.